Today, Gracie, we're going to learn about telling time. Can you tell me what you know about telling time?
Digitals and analog clocks.
Digital and analog clocks, okay. Well, today we are going to use analog and digital clocks to tell time. And I will tell time to the hour and half hour using digital and analog clocks, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so this is called telling time to the half hour, okay?
Okay.
Hey kids, I have this problem today, and I was hoping you could help me with it. Will you help me with my problem? Thank you so much. Okay, today I was asked to go to my basketball game at 3:30. I am not sure what that means, and that is why I need your help. Let's learn about telling time so I can make it to my basketball game. Here is an analog clock. This clock is a training clock and only has the hour hand on it. Whenever the hour hand points to one of the numbers, we can read the hour. Right now, the time is 1 o'clock. We say o'clock to represent the hour or the beginning of an hour. What time is it right now?
4 o'clock.
It is 4 o'clock. Great job, guys. What hour is it right now?
10 o'clock.
It is 10
Yes.
o'clock. Great job. This clock is a great training clock, and we already learned about clocks with the minute hand, so let's take a look at the big clock.
So you already know a little bit about this,
On
don't
this
you?
clock, we have both an hour hand and a minute hand. Wow, we have learned so much today, and I am so glad you helped me. I better get to my basketball game, so we will see you later. Take care and keep practicing. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay.
Yay.
This is an analog clock. What you just told me, okay? And like my phone, what kind of clock is this?
It's a digital.
Digital, good. Okay, so do you know what these hands are right here, what they mean?
6 o'clock.
You all got 6. No, do you know what this hand is? Well,
Hour hand.
yes, this is the hour hand, and the
And
long
then-
hand's the minute hand.
Minute.
The long hand's the minute hand. Okay, all right. So the hour hand, we know that one's going to be the short hand because hour is the short word, right?
We can't. On a clock, we can't use this one. We only use this one to move that one.
They both move to help us tell time. So the minute hand is the long hand because it's the long word, okay? You see that? Hour's the short word, the short hand. Minute's the long word, the long hand.
6 o'clock.
Yes. Okay. Whenever we tell time by minutes, it goes by fives. So we can skip count by fives to see what minutes are on the clock. See that? You gonna help me? Uh-oh, don't do them all at one time. Okay. Let's do it together. You pull it and we'll go. We'll count. So what's this one?
1,
5.
5 o'clock.
No. 5. 5. 10.
15, 20, 25,
Mm-hmm.
25, 30, 35,
35. Good.
35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 0.
55. So we know that there's going to be a total of 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay? So you know if you ever don't know the minutes on the clock, you can always just count by fives.
Okay.
Right?
Can I do one?
Yes, of course you can. So do you know what happens right here when we have this points to 12?
This point to 12 and this point to
When the
12.
minute hand points to 12, it means o'clock.
And
So how we say like 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock.
o'clock.
And right here, the clock, it says o'clock right there.
O'clock.
2 zeros means o'clock.
And if you put C's together, it's 12 o'clock.
Yes. So when the minute hand points to the 6, what do you think that means?
Minute.
It means half past the hour because 30, we're 30 minutes past the hour, so that's half past because because there's 60 minutes in an hour. Does that make sense? Okay. So let's practice doing so. So I want you to show me on this clock. Can you show me 5 o'clock? 5 o'clock. So how do you think we're going to write that on the whiteboard? You want to try it? Okay. Well, that is almost right, but your 5 right here, it's backwards, so we're just going to write it like that. 5 o'clock. Now, what do you think if we wrote 5 past the hour? What was half past the hour?
6.
It was at the 6, so when we know if the minute hand's pointing at the 6, how many minutes is that in?
30 hours.
No, not 30 hours, 30 minutes, because the
30
minute
minutes.
hand is at 6, right?
Yes.
So 30.
30.
Okay, so can you show me what 5:30 might look like? Half past 5. Good job. That's 5, but if we want to do 5 half past 5, we're going to write 30 right here. See that? 5:30. That's the difference. Right here it's a 0, right here it's a 3. See? Let's do another one. We'll try it again. Okay.
2 o'clock.
It's not 2 o'clock because our hour hand's pointing where?
At the 2.
But where is our minute hand pointing? Is it pointing at the
6
12?
o'clock.
No, you just said it was 2 because our hour hand's pointing at 2, right?
Yes.
Okay, so our minute hand is pointing where?
6.
6.
2:06.
We know that 6 means what?
30
6,
hours.
not 30 hours, but 30 minutes. See, this hand says minutes, and I wrote, this one says hour. So we know that if the green hand's pointing right here, the long hand, that's minutes. Okay? So, what time is this?
3
3,
past
3:30.
3:30.
Half past 3. Half past 3. So can you show me what 3:30 looks like? See, we're not writing 6. The minute hand is pointing to what?
3:30.
3:30. And we know that we can get 30 because for the minutes we count by 5s. 5, watch, 5, 10,
15, 20, 25, 30.
30. So with the minute hand, you always got to count by 5s, okay?
Okay. No way.
So let's do it. Let's do it together. You want to write it with me? Okay, we're going to write 3:30. So we have a 3 and our 2 dots. 3. And what do you think comes next? 3. Good job. 3:30. So that is half past 3. See? All right. You want to erase it? Let's do another one. Okay. So you show me a time and you show me what time you're going to write. What time do you want it to be?
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock? Okay, how do you write 12 o'clock? Good job. Okay, and how do we know that it's 12 o'clock? Because what?
The minute hand is on the 12, and the hour hand is on 12.
High five. Good job.
I
Okay.
learned that in school.
Good. Okay, so now let's tell me what time it is. Oh, you want to sit in the chair, please? Sit on the bottom. Thank
6
you.
o'clock.
Nope, it's not 6 o'clock because where is the hour hand pointing?
Oh, at it. Ow.
Sit on your bottom. So the hour hand is where?
On the 12.
And where's the minute hand?
On minute.
It's
hour,
at 6.
Minute. Hour.
The minute.
Or hour.
Minute right here. See the green hand that says minute is pointing to 6.
A minute.
And how do we know how many minutes are going to be at 6? So we're going to skip count by 5s, right? that means we have, since we stopped at,
40,
hey, Gracie.
60, 75, 80, 89, 100.
Okay, so we just said that this is what?
12,
You do it. 12 o'clock. Now move your minute hand to the 6. No, you moved your hours. So if the hour's right here now that you moved it, it's pointing at what? Where? Where's the hour hand?
6
6, but the minute hand is pointing where?
at the 12. What it's supposed to be?
So that means that this, what time is this?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Okay, right, 6 o'clock for me. 6 o'clock. Okay, now move your minute hand. Keep your hour hand where it is. Move your minute hand to 6. Keep, right here. Move that hand to 6. Okay, keep it. Keep it. So what time?
With it.
They're both pointing at the same time, so what is that?
6 o'clock.
Not 6 o'clock because the minute hand is not on 12, okay? The minute hand is where?
On an hour in the
Is it's on
minute.
30.
30.
30. So
Hour.
it's half past the hour when the minute hand, this green hand, is pointing to 6, the long hand. Okay? But it's 6 o'clock if it's pointing at 12. Okay, show me what time this is. Show what time, what number is the hour hand pointing at?
10 o'clock. 10.
10. And what number is the minute hand pointing at?
6.
6. So we know when the minute hand is at 6, that means what? It's half past the hour. Good job. 10:30. You see, you got it. All right. So let's switch it up on you. Let's do. Okay, the minute hand's on
If we
12.
want to do more, because I'm almost going to wear it out, so I have to use this space.
Okay, that's fine. So our minute hand's where, Gracie?
On the 12.
But our hour hand
10
is.
o'clock.
Uh-huh. Good job.
I think I'm going to have one more move.
Okay, we'll do one more. Now you move it to a time and you tell me what time it's going to be, okay?
Yeah, I don't.
Move it and write it down for me. Okay.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Good job. Okay, so write what 3 o'clock looks like. Good job. So when I move the hour hand to... Look. Where's our hour hand?
On a 7.
And where's our minute hand? You got the hang of this half past the hour. So how did you get 30? Right here.
From 6.
From 6, and you did what? You can skip count, right?
10.
5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30,
Good. So if you ever forget, that's what you can do, right?
55, 60, 75.
All right, it's 4, but if I move... Now what time is it? The hour hand's still where? Is it still at 4? Good job. 4:30. Awesome, Gracie. So I think you got the hang of this. You want to play a game with me now?
Yes!
Yes. Okay. All right. Let's play a game. Let me get the computer. Here you go. So this game, all you're gonna do is match the digital clock to the what?
To a 9.
To what kind of clock is that?
A 12 o'clock
No, it's an analog clock.
and what?
So you'll match the digital time to its analog clock, the time on the analog clock. Okay. All right.
Now I get it. Now I get it.
You got it.
Yes.
right. Ah, good job. And then go to the last round. Uh-oh. So what time? See those numbers? See, they're different now.
Yeah.
It's not at o'clock, but it's at what? 30. Half past the
So
hour.
it's going to be on 6.
Because your minute hands are all at what?
6.
6. Good job. Okay.
Where's 9? Where's 9 o'clock?
It's not 9 o'clock, but it's what? 9
Oh,
what?
9. 6, 9:30.
Good. Whoop. See, your hour hand is in between what two numbers?
11 and 12.
So what time do you think that's going to be?
11 o'clock.
Not 11 o'clock, but see where your minute hand is?
Yes.
11 what?
11:30.
Good. Gotta hear you say it. Good job.
Okay.
Alrighty, you did it. So I think you got the hang of this. So let's do some review real fast now that we finished all this. Okay.
Are you almost
can
done?
you- We are almost done. Can you stand on it for me? Thank you. So today, Gracie, can you rate this lesson in terms of difficulty for me? So was it easy for you? Was it hard for you? How was it? Easy? Okay. So, our objective for today's lesson was we will use analog and digital clocks to tell time. You paying attention? I will tell time to the hour and half hour using digital and analog clocks. Okay? So can you tell me how can we tell time using digital clocks or analog clocks to tell time to the hour and half past the hour? So how can we do it on this clock?
You move the hand.
What do you call those?
The hands.
The hour hand and the minute hand?
Yes.
Good. Okay. And when we
And it's
tell clock, when we use a digital clock to tell time, Gracie. Hey, are you looking? When we use a digital clock to tell time, we look at what? We look at these numbers right here, right?
but
All right. Good job. Well, thank you, Gracie. Can you give me a high five? Yeah. No. Okay. All righty.
can we